In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code with a link in Canva. So this is going to be a nice and easy tutorial. We just need to head over to the Canva website and click on Create a Design from the left-hand side. From this list of options, click on Logo, and this is going to create a new 500 by 500 document. From the left-hand side, scroll all the way down and click on Apps. And then using the search box, type in QR code and hit enter. Now there's a bunch of different QR codes that you can use. For this tutorial, we're going to keep it nice and simple and just select QR code. Then what you need to do is enter the URL of where you want this QR code to go to. So I'm just going to have it open my website, travelsnippet.com. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to paste that into the field here and press generate code. And just like that, we've now generated our QR code. So what we're going to do is resize this so it fits the full screen of the document. And once you're happy with the placement, click on share, select download. Make sure PNG is selected and then just press download. And it's as simple as that, guys. You'll now be able to share this with your customers. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.